Ever wondered what magic transforms simple ingredients into a tube of lipstick? It's a fascinating journey that combines chemistry, creativity, and a touch of glamour. Lipstick is more than just a cosmetic product. It's a symbol of beauty, confidence, and self-expression. But how does it all come together? Let's embark on this colorful adventure to uncover the secrets behind every swipe of your favorite lipstick. That perfect shade, that smooth glide, that confidence boost in a single swipe. It's a symphony of science and artistry. Each tube of lipstick is meticulously crafted to deliver not just color, but also a luxurious experience. The journey begins with selecting the right pigments and ingredients, ensuring that the final product is both safe and stunning. The formulation process is a delicate balance of science and creativity, where chemists and makeup artists collaborate to create the perfect blend. Get ready, lipstick lovers, because we're diving deep into the captivating world of lipstick creation. The process starts with the careful selection of raw materials. Waxes, oils, and pigments are chosen for their unique properties, each contributing to the texture, color, and longevity of the lipstick. These ingredients are then melted and mixed together in precise proportions, creating a smooth and consistent base. This base is the foundation upon which the magic of lipstick is built. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the secrets behind this iconic beauty staple. Once the base is ready, it's time to add the pigments. These pigments are what give lipstick its vibrant colors, ranging from classic reds to bold purples and everything in between. The mixture is then poured into molds, where it cools and solidifies into the familiar shape of a lipstick bullet. But the journey doesn't end there. Each lipstick is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and performance. From humble raw materials to the final glamorous product, we'll unravel the mystery behind every step. The final stage of the process involves packaging the lipstick. This is where the product is given its final touch of elegance with sleek tubes and stylish designs that make it a must-have accessory. The packaging not only protects the lipstick but also adds to its allure, making it a joy to use and carry around. Every detail, from the formulation to the packaging, is meticulously crafted to create a product that is both beautiful and functional. Get ready to unlock a world of color, texture, and confidence, one perfectly pigmented pout at a time. Lipstick is more than just makeup. It's a statement, an expression of individuality, and a boost of confidence. Whether you're going for a bold look or a subtle touch of color, there's a lipstick out there for everyone. So next time you apply your favorite shade, remember the incredible journey it took to get from raw materials to your lips. Embrace the magic, and let your lips do the talking. Every lipstick begins its journey as a collection of unassuming ingredients. Waxes like beeswax and candelilla wax provide the structure, ensuring your lipstick doesn't melt away with a single touch. Oils like castor oil and jojoba oil lend that luscious glide and keep your lips feeling oh so kissable. But wait, there's more. Emollients like lanolin and shea butter lock in moisture, preventing those dreaded chapped lips. These seemingly ordinary ingredients are the building blocks of lipstick, ready to be transformed into a masterpiece. Now the real magic begins. The carefully measured ingredients are gently heated and melted together in a large stainless steel vat. Imagine a bubbling cauldron, but instead of potions, it's brimming with the future of fabulous lips. The temperature is crucial here. Too hot and the delicate oils could burn. Too cool and the mixture won't blend properly. It's a delicate dance of heat and precision, and every second counts. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Hold your breath, because this is where things get really interesting. The journey of creating the perfect lipstick shade is nothing short of magical. It all begins with the base mixture, a carefully crafted blend of waxes, oils, and emollients. This base is the foundation upon which the entire lipstick is built, providing the necessary texture and consistency. With the base mixture perfectly melted, it's time to inject some personality in the form of vibrant pigments. From classic reds to playful pinks, and even bold berries, the color possibilities are endless. These pigments are the heart and soul of the lipstick, giving it its unique character and appeal. Each pigment is carefully selected and measured to ensure the perfect balance and intensity of color. The process of mixing these pigments is both an art and a science. It requires a deep understanding of color theory and a keen eye for detail. The master mixers work tirelessly, experimenting with different combinations and proportions to achieve the desired shade. They draw inspiration from a variety of sources, including fashion trends, seasonal colors, and even nature itself. But how do they achieve that perfect shade? That's the secret sauce. It's a blend of experience, intuition, and a touch of creativity. The master mixers rely on their extensive knowledge and expertise to make subtle adjustments and fine-tune the color until it meets their exacting standards. Master mixers, like true artists, carefully combine pigments, adding a dash of this and a pinch of that. They use precision tools to measure and mix the pigments, ensuring that each batch is consistent and true to the desired shade. This meticulous process requires patience and a steady hand, as even the slightest variation can affect the final color, and a pinch of that. The process is repeated multiple times, with each iteration bringing them closer to the perfect hue. It's a delicate balance, and the master mixers must constantly adjust and refine their mixtures to achieve the desired result, until they achieve the desired hue. Once the perfect shade is achieved, the mixture is carefully poured into molds and allowed to cool and set. This final step is crucial, as it ensures that the lipstick retains its shape and consistency. It's a meticulous process, demanding an expert eye and a steady hand. The result is a beautiful, high-quality lipstick that not only looks stunning but also feels luxurious on the lips. The art of color alchemy is truly a testament to the skill and dedication of the master mixers who work tirelessly to create the perfect shade for every occasion. Section 5. Shaping the pout. From molten to magnificent. The molten, vibrantly colored lipstick mixture is then poured into molds, a process that is both mesmerizing and crucial to the final product. Each mold is meticulously shaped to create the iconic lipstick bullet, a design that has become synonymous with beauty and elegance. It's like watching liquid glamour being poured into tiny treasure chests. The precision and care taken at this stage ensure that every lipstick bullet is perfect. As the mixture cools and solidifies, it takes on the familiar shape we all know and love. This transformation from a molten state to a solid form is a delicate process that requires exact timing and temperature control, but the journey isn't over yet. The freshly molded lipsticks are still in their infancy and need further refinement. These freshly molded bullets need to undergo a series of chilling and setting processes to ensure a flawless finish. This involves placing them in a cooling chamber where they are carefully monitored. The anticipation is killing us, right? The final steps are crucial as they determine the texture and durability of the lipstick. Each bullet is inspected for any imperfections, ensuring that only the best products make it to the shelves. Once the lipsticks have been thoroughly inspected, they are polished to give them that signature shine. This polishing process is what gives the lipstick its final luxurious appearance. Finally, the lipsticks are packaged with care, ready to be shipped out to stores and into the hands of beauty enthusiasts around the world. Each step in this journey, from molten to magnificent, is a testament to the artistry and precision involved in creating a product that is both beautiful and functional. The variety of shades and finishes available is a reflection of the endless possibilities in the world of cosmetics. Each lipstick is a small piece of art, crafted with passion and expertise. And there you have it, the incredible journey of a lipstick, from its molten beginnings to its magnificent final form. It's a process that combines science, art, and a touch of magic to create something truly special. Before these beauties can grace your makeup bag, they must pass a rigorous quality control inspection. Each lipstick is carefully examined for imperfections, ensuring that only the most flawless products make the cut. Did you know that some companies even use lipstick analyzing robots? Talk about high-tech beauty! Once they've received the stamp of approval, the lipsticks are carefully inserted into their tubes, ready to be capped, packaged, and shipped off to a makeup lover like you. Did you know that women have been enhancing their pouts with colored pigments for over 5,000 years? Ancient civilizations used everything from crushed berries to insects to achieve their desired shades. Thankfully, today's lipstick formulations are a bit more sophisticated. And speaking of sophisticated, have you ever wondered how many shades of lipstick exist? The answer might surprise you. With countless brands and color variations, it's safe to say that the possibilities are practically endless. Now, we've explored the ins and outs of lipstick creation, but have you ever stopped to appreciate the packaging? That sleek, shiny tube that houses your favorite lipstick plays a crucial role in preserving its texture, color, and application. And guess what? The magic of aluminum doesn't stop there. This versatile metal is used in everything from airplanes to soda cans. Intrigued? We thought so. So there you have it, darlings. The next time you swipe on your favorite lipstick, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get there. From humble ingredients to high-tech manufacturing processes, creating the perfect lipstick is a true labor of love. But the journey doesn't end here. Are you ready to explore the fascinating world of aluminum, the metal that keeps your lipstick safe and sound? Click here to discover the secrets behind this everyday marvel.